What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how you can save up to 90% on any organic gardening product. What you want to do is just wait. Wait until the end of fall through the middle of winter, so between about the months of November or so, all the way until the beginning of January. The stores will be putting their products, especially fertilizers and organic products, on sale. You can see here, this is $2. It used to be, well, before this it was marked for $14.98, but before this was almost a $20 bottle of bioinsecticide. So I got this for over basically 90% off. I got this Ant Adios bug and ant killer. This also kills things like earwigs and so on. I will be doing a video on this in the spring, but I got this for half off, and I saw recently they were doing it for over 65% off. So you just have to wait. If you're eyeing something and you want it to be on sale, just wait until the fall time, unless you have to have it immediately, of course. There are always times where that is needed, but like here, I got this bioprotectant. It also doubles as a insecticide, I read. So another thing for only $2. Because this wasn't cheap either. You can see it was on sale for $7 before. Sometimes if they have a lot of stock, they'll keep going down. Like Home Depot has special pricing, Lowe's has special pricing. Like if it ends in a 7 or a 3, that's a whole separate video. But just organic products, as you can see, these are all OMRI listed. This one's OMRI listed somewhere. Yeah, right there. See, these both are organic, and generally organics are much more expensive, so this is the best way. Even fertilizer, I don't have any good examples here of fertilizer, but fertilizers can be half off, 60% off if you wait and get it at the right timing intervals, because these things are not cheap. You know, if I bought these full price, this would be $20, $40, this would be $60 right here, but instead I only paid $14 for all 3 of these, and if I had waited, I could have gotten all 3 of these for $10, because this was another $4 off. So that's just a quick tip. I just want to pass this knowledge down to you. Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, all your major big box stores are lowering prices in the fall and early winter. I've seen Home Depot put things like blood meal on sale for $1.70 for a 4-pound bag as late as early February. So you just have to keep an eye out throughout until the start of this growing season, because they're trying to get rid of old stock just like this. And that's just a quick tip that I have. So until I see you in the next video, I hope you like and subscribe to check out my channel as well, and happy gardening.